Good morning, student. So this is the sixth part of your first chapter, and the name of your chapter is Knowing Our Number, and this is exercise 1.3. So in this exercise, this is second question. This one is second question, and second question is that give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest 100 and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest 10. So in this question there is two part. First part is rounding off to nearest 100 and second part is rounding off to nearest tens. Okay, so first part is 439, that is 439, plus 334, that is 334, plus 4 comma 317, means here is 1 comma means 2 periods and second period is 1000 period, and just after 1 comma single digit, that is 4. Which digit is here? 4. So 4 in which place? 1000 place. So 4000, and before 1000 place 3 digit, that is 317, means 317. So this number is 4317. So what, and these all 3 digits you have to add. So the question is 439 plus 334 plus 4317. You have to add these number, okay, in two ways. First is rounding off to nearest 100 and second is rounding off to nearest 10. Okay, so the solution time of first part, and first part is rounding off to nearest 100, and question is 439 plus 334 plus 4317. So first what you have to do, you just converted 439 converted into nearest 100. So what you have to do, we see when you converted into nearest 100, you always check tens digit and 100 digit, and when you check tens digit and 100 digit, that time two rules apply. First rule is, if tens place is less than 5, that time you converted tens place and ones place into 0, and nothing you have to change in 100 place because tens place is less than 5. And second rule, if tens place is 5 or more than 5, then also you converted tens place and ones place into 0, but you have to add one more number in 100 place. Whatever the digit in 100 place, you just add one more number in 100 place. Okay, so now see the number is, what is the number here? Here is 439, and which digit in tens place? 3 in tens place. And when we see the tens digit, this digit is less than 5, it means you just converted tens digit and ones digit into 0, and nothing you have to change in 100 digit. So the nearest 100 of 439 is 400. Okay, clear it? Now second number is 334, and same rules is applied in 334. And when we see here the tens digit, here the tens digit is 3, and 3 is also less than 5. So again first rule means tens digit and ones digit converted into 0, and nothing is changed in 100 place. So when we converted 334 to nearest 100, it becomes 300, that is 300. Okay, now the third number is 4317, And when we see here the tens digit, here the tens digit is 1, and 1 is also less than 5. It's mean tens digit and ones digit converted into 0, and nothing you have to change in 100 place. Okay, and whatever the digit in 1000 place, nothing you have to change. It's mean when you converted 4317 to nearest 100, it become 4300. Okay, so now you get nearest 100 of all these number, means 400 plus 300 plus 4300, it become 400 plus 300 equals to 700, and 700 plus 4300, it become 5000. Clear it? Now the second part is when we converted this number, this number 439 plus 334 plus 4317 to nearest 10. Now you converted these three number to nearest 10. So first number is 439, and when we converted this number in nearest 10, that time you keep in mind two place value, that is tens place value and ones place value. First, which place value? Tens or ones? Ones place value. And here also two rules apply. If ones place value is less than 5, you converted ones place value into 0, and nothing is changed in tens place value because ones place value is less than 5, and whatever the digit in 100 place, nothing is changed. But if ones place value is more than 5 or more than 5, then also you converted ones place value into 0, and you have to add one more number in tens place. Whatever the digit in tens place, you just add one more number in tens place, and after that whatever the digit in 100 place, nothing is changed. Okay, now come to the question. In this question number is 439, and when we see the ones place, which digit in ones place? 9 in ones place, and you all knows 9 is greater than 5. It's mean first ones digit converted into 0. Here second rule apply, means one digit converted into 0, and you have to add one more number in tens place. Which digit in tens place? 3 in tens place, means you have to add one more number in tens place, means 3 plus 1 equals to 4, and whatever the digit in 100 place, nothing is changed. Which digit in 100 place? 4. So you have write down 4 same as 4, means when we converted 439 to nearest 10, it become 440. Okay, now second number is 334, and when we see here ones place, here the ones place is 4, and here first rule apply, means 4 is less than 5. It's mean you converted one digit into 0, and nothing is changed in tens place. Whatever the digit in tens place, you have to write down the same. Which digit in tens place right now? 3. So you have to write down same digit, and after that whatever the digit in 100 place, same digit you have to write. Means when you converted 334 to nearest 10, it become 330. Okay, now the third number is 4317, and when we see the ones digit of this number, is 7, and here 7 is greater than 5. It's mean second rule is follow, means you converted ones digit into 0, and you have to add one more number in tens place. Which digit in tens place? 1. So you add one more number with 1, means 1 plus 1 is 2, and whatever the digit in 100 place, same digit you have to write. Which digit in 100 place? 3. So you just write down 3, and after that which digit in 1000 place? 4. Same you have to write down 4. So when you converted 4317 to nearest 10, it becomes 4320. So now you have nearest 10 of all these three numbers, means 440 plus 330 plus 4320. And when we add these three all numbers, first 440 plus 330, it becomes 770. Okay, now 770 plus 4320, it becomes 5090. Clear it? So now you understand how you converted in nearest 100 and clear the answer, and after that you converted these number in nearest 10. Okay, very good. Now the B part of second question, and part is 1,08,734 minus 47,599. First, you have to subtract which number from which number. Okay, so first number is 1,08,734. so in this number two commas, and just after second comma only a single digit. And first, when two commas in one number, how many periods? 3 periods, and third period is lakh period. Okay, so where is which digit in lakhs place? 1. It means 1 lakh, and before lakh 1000 period. So 1000 period start just after first comma. So how many digit just after first comma? How many digit? 2 digits. Which are they? First 8 and then 0. First 8. So where is 8? 8 in 1000 place and 0 in 10,000 place. Okay, clear it? And before 1000 period, ones period, and in ones period 3 place values. And here is which 3 digits? 734. How we can read 734? 734. Okay, so this number is 1,08,734. Clear it? Now second number is 47,599. Okay, so here is only single comma, and one comma means 2 periods, and second period is 1000 period, and just after one comma, how many digits? 2 digits. What are they? 4 and 7. First is 7 and then 4. How we can read 4 7? 4 7 47. 47 is where? 47,000. Okay, and before 1000 period 3 place value, that all are in ones period. So what are they? 599. How we can read 599? 599. Okay, so you have to subtract 47,599 from which number? 1,08,734. Okay, so first you have to convert these number to nearest 100. So first is nearest 100. So number is 1,08,734, and when we converted this number in nearest 100, what in the mind? Tens place and 100 place. Very good. And which two rules? If tens place is less than 5, so you have to convert it tens place and ones place into 0, and nothing you have to change in 100 place. After that, whatever the digit in 1000 place, 10,000 place and lakh place, nothing you have to change. Okay, and second rule, if tens place is 5 or more than 5, then also you converted tens place and ones place into 0, but you have to add one more number in 100 place. Whatever the digit in 100 place, you just to add one more number in 100 place, and after that, whatever the digit in 1000 place, 10,000 place and lakhs place, nothing you have to change. So in this number, which digit in tens place? 3 in tens place. 3 in tens place. So is 3 is equals to 5, less than 5 or more than 5? 3 is less than 5, means first rule is applicable. Okay, so here you have to convert it tens place and ones place into 0, and nothing you have to change in hundred place. Okay, so what is the digit in hundred place? 7. So you have to write down 7 same as 7. Nothing you have to change because tens place is less than 5. And after that, whatever the digit in thousand place, 10,000 place and lakhs place, nothing you have to change. Same you have to write down. So it's mean 1,08,734 when converted or rounded off to nearest 100, it become 1,08,700. Okay, clear it now. Next number is 47,599. And when we see this number, first you have to see the tens place. Which digit in tens place? 9 in tens place. When you see that 9 in tens place, and you all knows 9 is greater than 5, it means you have here second rule apply, means tens place and ones place converted into 0, and you have to add one more number in hundred place. Which digit in hundred place? 5 in hundred place. So you have to add one more number in hundred place, means 5 plus 1 equals to 6. And after that, whatever the digit in thousand place and 10,000 place, nothing you have to change, you have to write down same digit. So when you converted 47,599 rounded off to nearest 100, it become 47,600. Okay, so now you knows both the figure nearest 100. So first one is 1,08,700 minus 47,600, and when you subtract both the number, what answer comes? See the ones digit of both the figure, which is greater? 1,08,700 is greater. So first you write down 1,08,700 minus now the smallest figure is 47,600. So when you see the ones digit of both the figure, 0, so write down 0 minus 0, it becomes 0. Now tens figure, here is also 0, so 0 minus 0, again 0. Now move to 100 place. In 100 place, upper side figure is 7 and downside figure is 6, means 7 minus 6, it becomes 1. Okay, now move to 1000 place. Upper side is 8 and downside is 7. It means 8 minus 7 is also 1. Now move to 10,000 place. 10,000 place is 0, and 0 is not capable to subtract 4. So 0 take help from 1. And when 1 comes with 0, it becomes 10. And 10 is capable to subtract 4, means 10 minus 4, it becomes 6. So when you subtract 47,600 from 1,08,700, it becomes 61,100. Clear it? Now the second part is nearest 10. Nearest 10, and same number you have to convert it to nearest 10. Number is 1,08,734 minus 47,599. Now first you convert the first number. First number is 1,08,734. When you converted this number to nearest 10, what you have to see? Yes, first keep in mind only the two place value, that is the ones place value and the tens place value. Okay, and here also two rules apply. If ones place value is less than 5, so you have to convert it ones place value into 0, and nothing you have to change in tens place value. And whatever the digit in 100 place value, 1000 place value, 10,000 place value, lakhs place value, nothing you have to change. You just write the same values. Now come to the question, and here is the tens, which digit in ones place? 4 in ones place, and 4, you all know 4 is less than 5. It's mean first rule is apply here, means ones digit is converted into 0 and nothing you have to change in tens place. Which digit in tens place? 3. So you have to write down 3 same as 3, and nothing you have to change in 100 place. Which digit in 100 place? 7. Write down 7 same, nothing you have to change. After that, in 1000 place 8, write down same 8. 10,000 place 0 means same 0, and lakhs 1, same, write down 1. So when you converted 1,08,734 rounded off to nearest 10, it become 1,08,730. Clear? Now the second number is 47,599, and when we see that ones place, here is 9. Which digit in ones place? 9 in ones place, and you all know 9 is greater than 5. It's mean second rule is applied, means first you have to convert it ones place convert it into 0, and you have to add one more number in tens place. Which digit in tens place? 9 in tens place, means you have to add one more number, means 9 plus 1, it becomes 10. You can write down 10? No, only in 10 side 0 and 1 add with 100 place. Which digit in 100 place? 5, means you have to add one more number in 100 place, means 5 plus 1 is 6. So when you converted 47,599 rounded off to nearest 10, it become 47,600. Okay, clear it? Now you knows both the numbers rounded off to nearest 10, it become 1,08,730 minus 47,600. Now you have to subtract. So bigger number is 1,08,730 and smallest number is 47,600. And now when you subtracted it, first see the ones place. The bigger number is the ones place of bigger number is 0, and ones place of smaller number is also 0. So 0 minus 0, it becomes 0. Now move to tens place. Bigger number of tens place is 3, and smaller number of tens place is 0, means 3 minus 0, it becomes 3. Now move to 100 place. Bigger number 100 place of bigger number is 7, and 100 place of smaller number is 6, means 7 minus 6, it becomes 1. Now move to 1000 place, and in 1000 place 8, bigger number is 8 and smaller number is 7, means 8 minus 7, it becomes 1. Now move to 10,000 place. In bigger number, which digit in 10,000 place? 0, and smaller number is which digit in 10,000 place? 4, and 0 is not capable to subtract 4. So 10,000 take help from lakh, and in lakh 1 is there, so 1 comes to 10,000 place, means 1 and 0 10. Now 10 is capable to subtract 4, and 10 minus 4, it becomes 6. And in lakhs place 0, because in lakhs 1 is there, and when 1 comes to in 10,000 place, so nothing in lakhs place. Okay, so when you subtract 1,08,730 minus 47,600, it becomes 61,130. Clear? Now you understand how to convert it to nearest 100, how to convert it to nearest 10, and after converting both the numbers, you subtract or you add whatever question asks. If question asks subtraction, then you subtract it. If question asks addition, then you add. Okay, clear it? Understand? Very good. Now, third question. This is also estimated. Estimate the following product using general rule. Here, question is related with the product. Before this, I explained you about addition, subtraction, but this question related with product. First, you converted number to nearest in general rule. In general rule, if number in 2 digit, then rule is apply nearest 10. If number is 3 digit, then rule apply 100. Okay. If number in 4 digit, then rule apply 1000. And if numbers are 5 digit, then also rule apply 1000. Okay. So here first part of this question is 578 means 578 multiplied by 161, that is 161. So how we solve it? This I explained you how when you have to multiply these number to, first you have to convert these number to nearest in general rule, then after converting the number, then how to multiply it. Okay, so just for the solution. So now this is the solution time of third question. In third question, this is the A part and this is the solution of A part. A part is 578 multiply 161. First you have to convert it both the number in general rule. So here first number is 578. Here is how many digits? Here is 3 digits. And second number is also 3 digits. So first you have to convert it both the number in nearest 100. Okay. So in nearest 100, what we have to keep in mind? Which two place values? Yes, tens place value and 100 place value. Okay. So in tens place value, what are the rules? 2 rules. What are they? First is, if tens place value is less than 5, then you have to convert it tens place value and 100 place value converted into 0, and nothing you have to change in 100 place value. Okay. And second rule is, if tens place value is 5 or more than 5, then also you converted tens place value and ones place value into 0, and you have to add one more number in 100 place. Whatever the digit in 100 place, you just add one more number in 100 place. Okay. So now come to the number. Here is number is 578. So which digit in tens place? 7 is 10 place, and we all know 7 is greater than 5. It means second rule is applied. Means you have to convert it tens place and ones place converted into 0, and you have to add one more number in 100 place. Which digit in 100 place? 6 in 100 place. So means you have to add one number with 6, one number with 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So it's mean 578 rounded off to nearest 100, it become 600. Okay. Now second number 161, and when we see the tens place of this number, which digit in tens place? 6 in tens place, and here also second rule apply, because 6 is also greater than 5. Means you have to convert it tens place and ones place into 0, and you have to add one more number in 100 place. Which digit in 100 place? 1 in 100 place, means you have to add one more number in 100 place. So here is already 1, means 1 plus 1 is 2. So it's mean 161 rounded off to nearest 100, it become 200. Okay, so now we get both the number 600 multiplied by 200. Now you see, bigger number is 600, multiply smaller number is 200. And when you multiply, first starting with ones place. Okay, so ones place is 0. 0 multiply the bigger number of ones is 0. Bigger number of ones place is 0, means 0 multiplied by 0, it becomes 0. Now 0 multiplied by the tens digit. Tens digit also 0, means 0 multiplied by 0, it become also 0. Now 0 multiplied by the 100 digit. Which digit in 100 place? 6, means 0 multiplied by 6, it becomes 0. Means first you have to multiply 600 multiply the ones digit. Which digit in ones place? 0, means 600 multiplied by 0, it becomes 30000. Ones place, tens place and 100 place. Okay, now second step. In second step, which digit in tens place? Here is also 0, means but you have to multiply by 20. Okay, by 20. Now when 20 multiply by the ones digit of upper number, which digit in ones place? 0, means 0 multiplied by 0, it become also 0. And which digit in tens place? 0, means 0 again multiply by 0, it becomes 0. And after that the 100 place, which digit in 100 place? 6, means 0 multiplied by 6, it become also 0. So second line is 40, because you have to multiply by 200, means 0000, means 600 multiplied by 00. Okay, now the third number is 600 multiplied by which digit? 2 in which place? 2 in 100 place, means 600 multiplied by 200. Okay, now see, 200 multiplied by the ones digit of upper number, which digit? 0, means 200 multiplied by 0, it becomes 0. First you write down what? 00, because 200, how we can write 200? 200. First you write down these 20 in ones place and tens place. Now in 100 place, now it started with 100 place. See, 2 multiply the ones digit of upper number is 0, means 2 multiplied by 0, it becomes 0. In 100 place 0. Okay, now 2 again multiply the tens place of upper number, that is also 0, means 2 multiplied by 0, it becomes 0. And this 0 comes in 1000 place. Okay, now 2 multiplied by the 100 digit. Which digit in 100 place? 6, means 2 multiplied by 6, it becomes 12. So how we can write 12? 1 and 2, 12, means 2 comes in 10,000 place and 1 comes in lakhs place. So here now you see that in upper line 30, second line 40, and in third line 40 and 12, means 0, ones place is 0, 10th place is 0, 100 place is 0, 1000 place is 0, and 10,000 place is 2, and lakhs place is 1. And when we add these three lines, see, when we see starting from ones place, 0 plus 0 plus 0, it becomes 0. Now move to tens place, 0 plus 0 plus 0, it become also 0. Now move to 100 place, means 0 plus 0 plus 0, it become also 0. Now move to 1000 place, 0 plus 0 plus 0, it become also 0. Now move to 10,000 place. In first line nothing is here, second line is 0, and third line is 2, means 0 plus 2, it become 2. And now move to lakhs place. In first line nothing, second line is also nothing, in third line only a 1, that is 1. So when you multiply and when you multiply 600 multiplied by 200, it become 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Clear it? Understand how you multiply or how you find out the product of a number. First you have to convert it into general rule, and after converting you do product. You just multiply, and after multiplying you find out the answer. Clear it? Understand? So practice as many times as you can. Okay, very good. Now the activity time. In this activity, this is also related rounding off to nearest 100 and also a closer estimate to round by rounding off to nearest 10. Okay, so the question is, give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest 100 and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest 10. First part is that 8325 minus 491. So first you have to convert both these number to nearest 100, and when you find out the nearest 100 of both number, then it is very easy to subtract it. Okay, now the second part is 4,89,348 means 4,89,348 subtract 48,365 means 48,365. And here also first you converted both these number to nearest 100, and after that when you finding the nearest 100, then it is very easy to subtract it, and after that you have to convert same number to nearest 10. Okay, and how to convert it in nearest 10 and nearest 100, that I already explained. Once again I just give the hint. When you do nearest 100, keep in mind which two place values, tens place value and 100 place value, and which two rules. If tens place is less than 5, then you have to convert it tens place and ones place into 0, and nothing you have to change in 100 place. After that, whatever the digit in 1000 place, 10,000 place and lakhs place, nothing you have to change. Same whatever the digit in that place, you have to write down the same thing. Second rule, if tens place is 5 or more than 5, then also you converted tens place and ones place into 0, and you have to add one more number in 100 place. You have to add one more number in 100 place, and after whatever the digit in 100 place, you just add one more number, and after that whatever the digit in 1000 place, 10,000 place and lakhs place, nothing you have to change. You have to write down the same place values. Okay, like this you have to convert it 100 nearest 100, and when you have to convert it in nearest 10, then first keep in mind which two place values, ones place value and tens place value. First see the ones place value. If ones place value, here also two rules. If ones place value is less than 5, you converted ones place value into 0, and nothing you have to change in tens place value. Whatever the tens place value, you have to write down the same tens place value, and after that whatever the digit in 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place and lakhs place, nothing you have to change. Write down the same values. Okay. Second rule, if ones place value is 5 or more than 5, then also you converted ones place value into 0, and you have to add one more number in tens place. Whatever the digit in tens place, you have to add one more number in tens place, and after that whatever the digit in 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place and lakhs place, nothing you have to change. You have to write down the same values. Okay, clear it? So like this, first you converted both question in nearest 100, converted nearest 100, then solve it. Okay, and after that the second part, here also first you converted nearest 100, after that nearest 10, then solve it. Okay, clear it? Very good. Now this is also a activity time. Okay, and in this activity I will give two questions of general rule, and this is also related with your product. Okay, so first what you have to do, first you see the number and digit of a number. Okay, when you see the number, then you understand how to do product. Okay, so first part of this question, estimate the following product using general rule. So first part is 1291, that is 1291 multiplied by 592. So if you see both the number in one digit, in one number 4 digit and in another number 3 digit, so you have to convert it both the digit in nearest 100. Okay, both the digit in nearest 100. Okay, so first you converted 1291 to nearest 100, and whatever you have to keep in the mind, which two place value, tens place value and ones place value. And which two rules, if tens place is less than 5, so you converted tens place and ones place converted into 0, and nothing you have to change in 100 place. And after that whatever the digit in 1000 place, nothing you have to change it, you have to write down the same 1000 place. Okay, and same thing when you converted 592, then also you keep in mind two things. If tens place value is less than 5, so you converted tens place value and ones place value into 0, and nothing you have to change in 100 place. But if tens place value is 5 or more than 5, then also you converted tens place value and ones place value into 0, and you have to add one more number in 100 place. Whatever the digit in 100 place, you just add one more number in 100 place. And after finding both the number converted into nearest 100, then you have to do product. Then it is very easy to do product. Okay, how to product, that I already explained you. Okay, now the second part is 9250 multiplied by 29. So here you see first number is 9250. 9250 means 4 digit, and second number is 29 means 2 digit. What you have to do? What you have to do? You have to convert it both the number in different ways. First number is 9250. Here is 4 digits. So you have to convert it this number in nearest 1000. Okay, and when you converted this number in nearest 1000, then you keep in mind two things. Which two place values? 100 place value and 1000 place value. And here also you keep in mind two rules. If 100 place value is less than 5, then you converted 100 place value, tens place value and ones place value into 0, and nothing you have to change in 1000 place value. But in 100 place value is 5 or more than 5, then also you converted 100 place value, tens place value and ones place value into 0, but you have to add one more number in 1000 digit. Okay, this you have to do in first number, but second number is 29. So what you have to do? Yes, here you apply 2 digit general rule, that is nearest 10. So if we converted this number in nearest 10, so that time you use which place value? Ones place value. If one's place value, here also you kept two rules. If one's place value is less than 5, so you converted one's place value into 0 and nothing you have to change in tens place value. But if one's place value is more than 5 or 5, then also you converted one's place value into 0 and you have to add one more number in tens place. Okay, so you have to find out both the number of nearest in general rules, and then when you find out both the number in general rule, nearest of to general rule, then it is very easy to do product or multiply. Clear it? These two questions you have to do at your home and practice as many times as you can. Okay, and this is the last video of your chapter. Okay students, so I hope you all enjoying this chapter and practice as many times as you can. Very good.